Hey guys, and welcome back to Do It on a Dime with Kathryn. Today we are making beautiful DIY hanging canvas signs. These are beautiful all over Etsy and you can make them for less than $10. I'm gonna show you two super easy techniques, so I hope you guys enjoy. For this project, you need canvas drop cloths. You can get these at your hardware store for just a few dollars. This one is a 4x5 size and did all of the DIYs for this project. Also, wood pieces in a 24-inch by 3/4 inch size and decorative nautical rope. You can find that at the Dollar Tree. Stain or paint your wood into the desired color. Cut down your canvas to a 24-inch size or smaller if you cut your wood pieces in half. The first technique is perfect if you don't have many supplies, and that's to use stick-on letters. You can find these 50% off at your craft store or even the dollar store. Decide on your quote, stick it right on, cut out your canvas, and then spray over top with a light coat of spray paint. Peel back the letters to reveal the design. This is so easy and the possibilities for creativity are endless. It looks really nice to fray the sides of your canvas, and this is also ridiculously satisfying. You can also add additional embellishments with dollar store stencils or just freehanding them. This would make an adorable Valentine's gift for just $6. The next technique involves a stencil. This one was cut out with a Cricut. You can also purchase these at the craft store or even find non-sticky stencils at the dollar store. If you use the sticky variety, put painter's tape over the top and it will make the transfer really easy. And with any stencil you use acrylic paint and a dabbing motion to apply. Peel back your stencil and fray the edges on your canvas. Adding the wood holders is super easy. Add a bead of liquid nails to the center of the board, fold over the canvas halfway up, press down, and then, if you need to, add the rope for the top of the canvas, a little bit more glue, and add the board on top. Secure with nails. This entire project can be done so quickly. Couple of pro tips: make sure to go over the nails with a hammer so they don't scratch your wall, and you can even iron this on low heat if you use acrylic paint and canvas. These are so elegant and on Etsy retail for up to $100. I am not kidding. You can make these in any variety, any size, any shape to customize and tell a story in your home. I'm so excited to add this one to Owen's bedroom. If you guys enjoyed this video and want more like it, definitely leave it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button so I can see you in the next one. I love you guys and I'll catch you there. Bye! Okay, so we painted Owen's bedroom this blue. It used to be green and the theme is adventures. So Carson, we're gonna add this to the wall. Would that be super cool?
Where's Owen right now?